Hello friends, Inside Us presents Quizzy Brains. Today's letter is N. Let's guess the animal from letter N. Hint 1. It's a toothed whale with single long tusk native to Arctic. It's known as unicorns of sea. Hint 2. Its tusk is commonly found in males is actually an enlarged tooth with sensory capabilities. Spiral tusk can grow up to 10 feet and weigh about 10 kgs. Hint 3. They sound like this. Unscramble it, guys. Yeah, it's narwhal. Hooray! Time for trivia. Narwhals feed on cod, squid, and shrimp. Narwhals can dive about a mile deep in the ocean. Cracks in the sea ice above allow them to pop up for air when they need it. Both males and females are born with two small teeth embedded in their skulls, but only in males does the front left tooth grow into a spiral tusk. They are one of the endangered animals, found very few due to climatic changes and also attack from predators like killer whales and humans. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Do comment your scores below. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this. Like and share to your friends. Thank you.